Well, hello there, beautiful people. So Joan Allen has finally come through, and we got ourselves the Quest X Pointer Pro. Yes, the Pro. They came with a couple of other little bits which I was really happy with. So it came with a free keyring of the double D coil. Obviously just the standard Quest arm bracelet band thing. And it came with a multi-tool, so it's got almost toothbrush bristles that are quite fine on the side, a metal brush, which I was assuming for something less valuable, and on this side it's really sharp, but a pointer, I suppose, just to poke little bits out of holes. And it also came with a 3x zoom, so you could obviously read like hallmarks and things like that, which is really good. And it's on a little belt clip and a little stretchy job as well, so can't even complain with that. So we got the X Pointer Pro, the title of the video and everything, so we may as well go for that bit. But yeah, so long story short, if you haven't seen the other videos, I ordered the Quest Q30 Plus, Quest Q30 Plus, and they sent me the original land probe, and they were like, oh, I was just like, wait, this is the wrong one. You were supposed to send me the Pro. And they're like, oh, I'm really sorry. Actually, it's like we're out of stock for an entire month. And I was like, okay. And they were like, we could send you this one. And I was like, well, it's not as good. It might be the same value, but apparently it's not as good. So yeah, so I was a bit weighing up odds, and I was like, you know what, I'm just going to wait. So I've actually got that the land probe in there, so I can put that as part of the giveaway at one point, so that'll be really good. They haven't asked for it back, and it's still in mint condition, so why the devil not? But yeah, let's do an unpacking of this, and first thoughts. I have charged it up, that's all I've done. Nothing's been taken out of the gubbins, because it's a charger that I already got. So, aha! So yeah, here is the old pack of gubbins. So it comes with... Oh, that's really handy. Oh, I've dropped one of my bands already. Right, I'll put the band in there loose. So we've got ourselves a... It's all not a carabiner, but so this clips onto your belt with a bit of Velcro. Lovely sturdy little thing. And then obviously it's on a stretchy coil, so if you drop your probe or pointer, however you want to call it, yeah, it's not going to go anywhere, so that's quite handy. And obviously you can just pull it to the right length you need it to use it. So yeah, no, I quite like that. So we've got ourselves standard charger, and we've got ourselves two protector tips. They're always good. I mean, they're a bugger to get on, but other than that, actually they're really, really handy, and they will help with the life of this the pinpointer quite a lot, so that's really good. So it comes rather strangely like this. So like I said, it has already been charged, so I've pulled that bit out. So this is the back parts to it, which the clips and everything will connect to. Traditionally, obviously, you pull that out to replace the battery, but there's no battery. It's all a bit rattly. It's all what's the word? Wireless. So it's yeah, there's a battery internally, which is really handy, and a reset button on the middle. So yeah, that's always handy. I wonder if they will do a rechargeable block, so you can pop that in here, because obviously there's quite a chasm for it, so it could clip in here, and then obviously when you screw it in, it will make it nice and protected. There's a real good depth on these. I can't think for the life of me what it is, but it's really good. So you could use this scuba diving and things like that. It's got a lovely little torch on it. Lovely little design actually. Good little speaker, and a single two buttons, on and mode. And I'm pretty sure you hold down menu or mode and push the power button, and it will toggle through the strength of attraction. Yeah, we'll call it that. Right, so we got ourselves a holster. Brilliant quality holsters. I absolutely love them. If you put them on your belt, they never coming off, and you could just literally chuck it in and go. It comes with a little clasp on the bottom, and the rest is velcroed up. I have got it on the Q30 Plus. It's got a little area for this, and I would like to say it does come undone. Like if you're using it quite frequently, it does come undone a little bit. So it might be better on the old belt. I might try that later on when I do a little video. We'll see. So that, but there we got ourselves that elastic band, the scuba detector / X Pointer Pro. There we go. So you make sure the O-ring's on there so it's nice and sealed. We got ourselves our instructions, which I haven't been through. And we got us, it wouldn't be Quest if it didn't come with free stickers. Gotta love a free sticker. So, ooh, it comes with a little card. So you can, yes, it's got your serial number and everything, and you can put your voice across, which is quite nice. Yeah, why did you buy the detector and all that? So you put your, I wonder if there's something that they'll give back for that. That'll be handy. So we got ourselves the Quest Go app again. I'm still yet, actually no, I'm not still yet to use it. I use it to update the Quest Pro, sorry, the Quest Q30 Plus, and actually it didn't need updating at the time. The app is majorly in, is it Swedish? I can't think off the top of my head now. The company base is it's either Sweden or around that sort of area. And yeah, the majority of people on there are from there. But yeah, I mean, yeah, they've got like an area where you can put photos of your finds. And if you put your photos of your finds and you get the most likes, you can win prizes and things. So that's really cool. Can he complain? It's a free app, so yeah, why not? So we got ourselves our instructions, and like I said, I'm pretty sure I know what it is. Yeah, we don't need that. We don't need that. And oh, actually, I was looking at the is it German or Russian? I'm not sure. Instructions, but still, that is everything that's in the box in there. So let's turn this one on. Ooh, nice and intuitive, anyway. Right, I've got myself. I can't for the life of me remember what this is called. No, it's a Russian coin, a nice old Russian coin. So I brought it out. It's 50% silver. This is one I found earlier today in this find. So got a lovely torch. I wonder if you could probably turn that off actually, but lovely good output and vibration. And a flashing light. I know that they've got the Quest Pointer Max, I believe it is. Yes, Quest X Pointer Max, and that actually comes with, there's a little dial on the side with crosses and circles. So if you get full crosses, you know it's not going to be the best quality. And if you get full circles, you know actually it's going to be a cracking find. So it's quite nice. I mean, I still dig it anyway, but I suppose if you're really hunting around and you find it's miles deep, but this is triggered, and you're like, oh, actually, it's telling me this is a nail or something. But yeah, no. That's quite, I know obviously there's no soil involved, but this isn't even on the highest setting. So yeah, if you hold menu and you push power button, yeah, so there's 3, and that's the highest sensitivity. I've turned off the vibrations now. So, oh, there you go. So just vibration. Can I turn the torch off? It would appear not, but I'm sure there is a way. I will get back to the instructions and find out. So yeah, hold down the menu button, push that one. 1, it means it's the lowest setting, which I probably will use actually. 1 or 2. Because it's still quite a little distance, but it's quite nice to know where it is. I suppose if a lot of your finds are really deep in the ground, if you put it on a higher sensitivity setting, you'll know where to sort of dig. But if you're using it in an area where you're pretty sure you're going to know where the find is, you could just literally just go, boop, there it is, sort of lowest sensitivity, just looking around, going, oh, no, oh, there it is. And I think it's got pretty 360. But obviously the sensitivity, the most sensitive point is going to be the end there. Yeah, so 2, 3, and 4 is the highest. Banging. Yeah, so let's, while we're here, we'll stick one of our little protectors on. I think it might be a good idea, because I'll show you how tricky it can be. So, yeah, so obviously they make them too small, quite purposefully, and if you really gotta push it on there. But I suppose at least you know it's not coming off, is it? And the thing is it doesn't really affect the sensitivity at all either. So yeah, I mean, I'm pretty sure that's still the highest. So we go on 1. Yeah, no, that's still pretty good. It's basically the same. And obviously the tip of your pointer is a lot more protected there. Yeah, like I said, I'll see if I can find a way to turn that one off. And I'm going to... You know what? I'm not going to connect the little lanyardy job because I'm probably not going to use that. The majority of the time I'm hunting, I'm out and around in my own garden or in the field next door. So, to be quite honest, I'm probably going to avoid that. I might keep it handy if I'm going off, because I know in, I want to say, sort of September, I want to say, there is a big hunt going on just by Bristol, and that looks quite exciting. They've got, I think it's 300 acres, it might even be more than that, but yeah, you pay, and it's run by Nocta and the British, I should have looked this up beforehand, but it's top of my head. Yeah, big old company setting it up. It's almost like a massive festival. They've got live bands and things like that, and I'm going to go up there with my wife and children, and my wife and children are going to stay in Bristol with with my wife's sister, and we're gonna, yeah, I'll head on over, hopefully do a good day there, meet a couple of friends, meet some people, hopefully get a few finds on video and other people's finds. It'd be really exciting. Yeah, it's not too bad price wise either. It's a bit funky in the way that because obviously it's like a festival, you need to pay for to be able to detect, you need to pay for a night almost. It's over 3 nights, and I want to say it's around 30 quid, about 25-30 pounds for the one night, and then for the whole weekend I want to say it's like 65 quid, so it's not too bad. And I mean, like I said, they've got booze, they've got live bands, they've got everything. You can camp, as long as you clean up your rubbish, you can hunt all day and night, and yeah, it sounds absolutely amazing. I wish I could go to the whole thing, but life is life, and children are children. So, yeah, I don't think I get that much time off work either. But yeah, no, yeah, really excited for that. But that's the sort of scenario where I would use this, because I mean, it's the sort of thing that if you drop it and you went off 10 holes, or like, I don't know, 10 metres that way, you could turn around. You never know. If you've got hundreds of people there, hundreds and thousands of people, I mean, there's no saying that someone else hasn't picked it up, shoved it in their holster, and shoved their one in their backpack. You're never going to know, are you? I mean, it's not like I could carve my name in it or anything. So, yeah, that's the sort of scenario where I think I'd use it. But yeah, no, really happy with this. Yeah, really, I'm so glad it's here as well. The other one, I did a little trial of. I will do another trial, because obviously that one's battery powered, but I couldn't get it to work right. And I mean, it was brand new out of the packaging, so I know it is my own user error. Oh, sorry. There we go. There we go. It's warning me that it'd been a couple of minutes, so obviously I've been wittering too long. But no, yeah, if you've got any other questions, like I said, just please give me a shout. Give me a message below, and yeah, I'll more than happily answer anything I can or show you. I will be using this in, so I've got a video that I've already recorded today. We've had some belting finds, and actually, Kopeck, or Kopeck, that's the name of this coin. So it's a 15 Kopeck from Russia. It's yeah, 50% silver, 1906 coin. Absolutely cracking little find. It wasn't even that deep. It was really weird. But yeah, so that was one of the finds that you probably haven't seen yet, or you might have just seen. I'm not sure which order I'm going to put the videos at. So, but yeah, so I'm going to do another hunt later on today, because we're off to Bristol and then Legoland for my daughter's birthday. So yeah, fingers crossed I can get 3 days worth of videos, and then obviously crack back on and get another one in on the weekend. I got my interview on Saturday, so that's really exciting. Yeah, off to see the flow tomorrow as well. It's all coming up Millhouse. All coming up Millhouse. But yeah, so if you are interested in buying one of these, I cannot think for the life of me how much they are. I think it's $169.99. But because of the faffing around, excuse me, Joan Allen, yeah, like I said, they chucked me. I know it's only a little cheap thing, but actually that's going on my keyring. A little double dual coil, it's a cracking little phone. And this, I'm really intrigued. I mean, like I said, I can't imagine using this too much. I suppose if you've got a big old rusty something and you want to see if there's some writing on it, and you're like, it doesn't matter if I damage it, it's just a piece of crap. Yeah, you can give it a little brush off with that, and yeah. It's a little bit on the warped front. I wonder if that's one of the reasons it was a giveaway piece. But yeah, so that would obviously poke the holes out of buttons easily. Lovely. Yeah, really excited with that. And I can't imagine me finding much with a hallmark, but yeah, it's really nice to have one of those just dangling around it. I just wish, so it's called a triplet. I really wish it stayed in the case. It's just a bit wobbly. I mean, it's quite a nice little fidget tool, I suppose. But yeah, no, love that. I'll try and read. So it looks like it's called Kapaan, Kapaan, and obviously that was from the Jane Allen website. I'm not sure how much they sell for, how much they want them for, but yeah. Oh, I forgot to say as well, they've got 1 to 5 centimetres on the side as well. So I mean, it's just a little quick reference point. If you've got it in your pocket, you're like, oh, I wonder how much that is. Yeah, it's 2 centimetres long. Yeah, cracking. Right, well, thank you ever so much for watching. I'm really sorry if I haven't answered any of your questions. If you want to see it in use, please wait for... I'll tell you what, I'll make sure that the last video I recorded was before this one. So if you want to watch the next one, it's either on the video tomorrow or it's already on there and it's the video following this one. Thank you all so much. We hit 214 subscribers, which is just amazing. I will be doing, I think at 500 subscribers, I'm going to do a little giveaway. What I'll do is the Quest Land Probe, I'll give that away. I got one of the hats, and we got like a finder's pouch and things like that. So it'd be really good to do a little giveaway for that. And then obviously when I hit 1,000 subscribers, the X10 Pro will be given away with another hat and a little tool, like a little starter kit really. I think that would be really good. And please let me know if you think this microphone setup is better. I've just got it clipped on because obviously I'm sat a bit further away. I've had it as a bit of a lavalier mic, but I've put it on top of the camera today. And I wonder if it makes a difference. Obviously I'll hear better, but I know that the last video it sounded astronomically better. So really happy with it. It's a little Rode microphone, little lavalier mic, and it's only like just under 40 quid I think, so not bad at all. Right, I'm going to clean up this rubbish and have myself a drink, and I'm going to go off out for a hunt. So thank you ever so much, and I'll see you all lovely people soon.